Hello everyone, welcome back to our yoga session. In this video, you will learn yoga warm up exercise for beginners. Stand straight with your palms apart and feet apart. Look straight. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Relax. Rotate your neck 3 times clockwise and after anti-clockwise. Take a deep breath in, look up. Breathe out and look down. Repeat it for 3 times. Deep breath in and turn your head to right side. Stretch your neck maximum. Breathe out and look to left side. After completing 3 times, look straight. Raise your palms straight up to your shoulder level. Raise your palms up and down. Three times. After, fold your fingers and rotate your wrists 3 times and rotate to opposite side for 3 times. Now keep your both hands straight. Touch your shoulder with your fingers and come back. This will stretch your elbows. Now place your hands on your shoulder joint. Rotate your hand forwards and backwards. Repeat it for 3 times. Then keep both hands straight up to your shoulder level and slowly turn to your right side. And slowly, gently turn to your left side. Then come back to normal position. Keep both hands on your hip. Stand straight. Now raise your right leg and rotate your feet clockwise and anti-clockwise for 3 times. Do the same for opposite leg. Then raise your right leg and rotate your knee joints 3 times. Then opposite side 3 times. Do the same for left leg. Now stand straight. Keep both hands straight up in front of your chest. When you breathe in, expand your hands. When you breathe out, come back to the previous position. Repeat it for 3 times. And now keep your hands straight up. Look up and breathe in. When you breathe out, come back. Keep your legs little wide apart. Cross your fingers and stretch it. Now gently raise your palms up, then bend forward down and try to touch the floor. Come back. Now repeat it for 3 times. After that, stretch it up and stretch to right side, then left side. Come back, repeat it for 3 times and come back to normal position and relax. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Close your eyes. Keep your both hands in meditation sign. Concentrate only on your breath. Relax. Try to remove all the thoughts from your mind. Focus and concentrate only on your breath. If you feel your mind and body is relaxed, you can slowly open your eyes. And today's session is over.